look at this. I just made $15 from only 5 clicks. That's $3 per click, straight to my account. And the craziest part, I did it using 100% free AI tools. No selling, no website, nothing complicated. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I set this up so you can copy it too. Without wasting time, let's jump in. First, open your browser, then search for Adobe Animation Express and sign up for a free account using your Google account. Then log in. Then open another new tab, then search for LM Arena AI, and also register for a free account using a Google account. From there, open another tab, then go to TikTok.com, then search for viral stand-up comedy, then find any video which has gone viral. I will show you how to convert this video into a video like this for free by using Adobe Express and LM Arena AI. Watch this.
A white guy can handle a breakup. If a girl leaves him, he goes and he gets some counseling, right? He gets some therapy. He challenges himself. He gets empowered, if you will. A black guy, he has this chick leave him. He just puts on some gangster rap. Bitch, gotta go, fuck you, hope. You know? Latinos, we have no shame. If a chick leaves us, we'll go to the mother's house. Señora, dígale que la quiero. Come on, Marta.
This method is really working, and to show you a proof, this video has got 1,000 views from a 100% brand new channel, which was created 2 weeks ago. So I am pretty sure that the strategies that I'm going to show you will also work for all of you. I have started this channel specifically to earn with this method, and the result is amazing. I'm earning at least $15 a day from this method, so my expectation is to earn up to $50 per day after 2 months. This channel has 6,000 views, and 99% of the views are from European countries, of which 60% are from the USA, while the channel was created in Tanzania, Africa. So, no matter where you are, this method will work for you. I will show you how to create a channel like this, which will target a USA audience. Also, how to create videos like these for free, which will go viral. Then I will also show you how to attach your affiliate link so as to earn $3 per click. So now back to stand-up comedy videos on TikTok. Then click on Share and copy the video link. From there, open a new tab, then search for TikTok Video Downloader and click on MP3 Download. Then paste the video link and hit on Download to download the video audio. From there, back to LM Arena AI, then choose Image Generation and paste this prompt. All materials used in this video, including prompts, you will find in the PDF attached in the video description below. LM Arena will create an amazing background for you. If you want to customize it, you can just give it a prompt. So download the image, then back to Adobe Animation Express. Then click on Create Now. And on Character, choose any character you like. In my videos, I use this character. Then go to Background, click on Upload Image, and upload your download background image. Then resize your Sticky Man image to fit on the background. Then at the button, click on Browser to upload your download audio from TikTok. Then your video will be generated automatically. Wait for some moment, then your video will be ready. Now click on Download it. Now you need to edit it a little, so to add a caption, which will grab attention and tell the people to click on your affiliate link. To do so, go to CapCut. If you don't have it, download it first, then open it and upload your video. Then at the top, go to the caption. Then choose the templates. You have to choose a free one without diamond icon and which show one word only. So I will choose it, then click on Auto Generation, and your caption will be generated automatically. From there, click on the default text and write this. Get free Amazon gift link below. You will find more video text in the attached PDF below, so you will keep on alternating it. Now at the right, there are effect options, so click on it, then choose any effects you like, and then position the text to the middle of the video so as it can be visible. And from there you can preview it. If everything is okay, click on Export, and your video will be exported to your device. Now let's create a YouTube channel which will target US traffic. Now go to YouTube, then click on the account icon and click on the Create Channel. Now to get US optimized channel details back to your browser, then go to ChatGPT and get it this prompt. I want to create a stand-up comedy short video channel for a stickman, so I need to propose channel name, default channel description, title, keywords, and default channel tags that will target US traffic. Then you will get all the information, so just copy and paste to your channel. To add default channel setting, go to your channel, then setting, then upload default. Add a default title, description, and tags. This will help YouTube to recommend your content quickly, since each time you upload a video, the same description and tags appear. So this trick of setting default upload helps small creators to go viral even with few videos. So, on description is where we add your affiliate link, so once people click on it and complete sign up, you get commission. The platform which will pay you $3 per each sign-up is Amazon through their Baby Registry offer. This is a hidden tool which most of the Amazon users don't know about, so today I will show how you can get this offer to earn in Amazon without any sales. To start with, you need to have an Amazon account to create an Amazon affiliate account. Head over to your browser, then search for Amazon Associate Sign-Up. Click on this first option where you will be directed to sign-in page, but at the button there, create Amazon account option, so click on it. Then first fill your official name, valid email address password, confirm your password, then hit sign up. Complete human verification. Then Amazon, they will send a verification code to your email. So open your email inbox and fill the code here. From there, you will be directed to phone number verification. Here, just choose your home country code and fill your valid phone number. Amazon will send verification code to your number. Fill it here. Then click on Continue, where you will be directed here, where you need to add your personal information like official name, address, zip code, and phone number. Here again, use your home country information, since they will need verification process, while add your payment information, so just add it correctly. Then click on Next, where you will be directed here where you need to add a website. If you don't have a website, use any website you know. Alternatively, you need to download an Amazon app to your phone, then get an app Alexa skill URL. If you add a website in the section where it says your website has age-restricted content, choose on No, then click on Next. Then choose a store ID, which you will remember. Then give a brief description where you will promote the offer. Just write simple like this. I'm creating content on how to make money online through different tips like affiliate marketing and digital product selling. Then choose category like blog. Choose where did you hear about Amazon. Then complete human verification. Agree to terms and condition. And lastly, click on Finish. From there, you are done. Note your store ID. Then your account is ready for making money. For a complete step-by-step guide on how to add tax information and bank account information, just watch the video on the description below. What you need to have is your store ID, since I will show you a simple way to get your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, just copy the link attached in the PDF, then after =add you Baby Registry. Like mine is SciJepa20, so I add it after =, like this. Test it if it works. If it's okay, now copy it ready to use. Now, here is the trick I use to double my earning. I always use a landing page which helps me to collect email from those who will click my link. That means that when people click on my landing page link, they will need to fill their name and email. Then they will be directed directly to my Amazon affiliate link, and those emails will be saved to my email list. So after a few days, I will send them an email newsletter which contains my Amazon affiliate link. So if they didn't complete registration before they can complete at that time, so I make more commission. Also, I'm using those email lists to send other affiliate links. Since US traffic has a high conversion rate, I keep on making more money online. Now to create a landing page, go to system.io link in the attached PDF. This is the completely free tool that will collect emails for you, and you will use to send and schedule emails, newsletters for free. But I have created a landing page like this for you. You only need to copy and paste, then your landing page will be added automatically. To do so, click the system.io sign up link in the attached PDF. Then register for a free account, then log in. From there, go and copy the landing page link and paste in the same browser. The landing page will be added automatically and it will get opened. If not open, click on Site, then Sales Funnel, then you will see it. To add your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link, click on Funnel Name, then click on Edit Templates. Then click on Register Now button. Then at the left side, find the Redirect URL section. Remove my affiliate link and your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link. Then click on Save and Exist. Now this path URL is your new affiliate link that we will use in your YouTube video description. To taste it, just copy it and search it in a new browser. Your landing page will be opened. Then you will fill your full name and email address. Then click on Register and you will be directed to your Amazon affiliate link, while the added email will be saved to system.io. That is how you start email marketing slowly but sure. With these methods, I tell you the truth. After a few months, you will develop 4 to 6 figure income online. For those who are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Then wait for more money-making tips that will change your financial status. Now we have got the affiliate link to add to our video description, but this link is too long. Go to any URL link shortener, then short the link, copy the new one, and paste it to your YouTube default video description. And finally, click on Save, so now you have added your default title, description, and tags. Meanwhile, you have added a channel keywords and description. Then the next step is to add a channel banner and profile photo on the banner. Just tell ChatGPT to create a banner image first. Once done, tell it to create a profile photo, upload it to your channel, and boom, you are ready to upload your video. And with these settings, they will go viral. Now, to upload your video first, go to your default video title given by ChatGPT, copy it, then go to your video exported from CapCut, rename the video name, and paste the title of the video. This also helps to trigger the YouTube algorithm to identify what is your video about, so they will recommend it more to the specific audience. You must do this for all of your videos that you will upload. So once renamed back on YouTube, click on Create, then upload the video here. You will see the title and description, and tags will be added automatically so you don't need to write it again. So each time you upload a video, you just make a simple twist to your title and then publish it. So here I will choose this option, no, it's not made for kids, and then other options I left as it is. The important section is on upload time. You have to make sure that the video is uploaded starting from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. U.S. time. Since your targeted audience is from the U.S., you can ask ChatGPT to recommend the best time to publish your video. But being generated from 5 p.m. is the best. If you publish at midnight in the USA, don't expect to get views in your video, so don't mess up on it. Now use the same idea to upload it on TikTok, since I have started to go viral on TikTok too. The same video has got 800 views. You can add it on Facebook and Instagram if you're culpable to manage all of them, but YouTube is the best. So create at least 2 to 4 shorts a day. I'm busy. I can manage only 1 short after 2 days, but if you have enough time, at least 2 short a day will make you go viral quickly. Consistency is the key to success. On top of that, I have a secret method of this, where I just make self-clicking and Amazon paid me from that. Just clicking my own affiliate link, complete registration with 100% anonymization, and boom, my $3 credited to my account. If you want to know how to self-click safely on Amazon and earn a lot of money online, just watch the video show up on the screen. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and see you there.